So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can make $100 per day. Yes, $100 per day without doing much tedious job. In this video I am going to tell you two most useful website, and these websites are really important for you to earn at least $100 per day. Yes, without doing much job, just relax, sit in your chair and watch out this video completely till the end, and I'm gonna tell you these two websites so you can start making $100 per day. Let's get started.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
As I promised, guys, in this channel you gonna learn the new tricks and latest tricks how to make money online. So here I am with the new two websites, and in these websites you're gonna at least earn $12 per hour. Yes, in both of the website you at least gonna earn $12 per hour. So that means you totally can earn at least $100 per day. And there's nothing to do much. You just have to relax on your sofa with the coffee mug and just do the necessary things to earn $100 per day. The first website called Upcall. As you can see and you can hear or you can read out the name Upcall, that means what you have to do. I'm just gonna tell you step by step. As the name suggested, there is something related to the call. Yes, what you have to do is you just have to engage the customer and convert the lead who can listen to you. And what you have to do, you just have to sign up here, and you just have to install few applications on your mobile phone, or just not to do much things. You just have to receive the calls on your application through the application, and the market researchers and the consultant and the companies who is funding this website, they are actually, what they are doing is they are giving you opportunity to make the lead for them. Many of the huge companies are looking for someone who can handle their calls, not the by the call center but from their home itself. So what they are doing is they are giving you a chance to get involved in this category and start using your skill of the communication and use your mobile phone to get started and solve the problems of the customer. And once you solve the problem of the customer, you will get paid for it, and at least you're gonna earn $12 per hour on this website. So without wasting time, just go to the upcall.com and hit the sign up button and start generating the calls. Now the second website is not the similar one, it's completely opposite. However, in some manner it is similar to the current website which you are seeing on the screen, that is the upcall.com. But the next website is related to this, not with the call. However, the amount of the earning is almost same. On that website also you can earn at least $10 or $12 per hour. This limit, what I'm telling, 10 or 12, this is the starting limit of these websites. However, if you become pro and you will be order on this website, you will start making $100 per hour also. So without wasting time, just go to this website and hit the sign up button and start making money. So without wasting time, let's hit to the second website. The second website is Camly.com. Yes, Camly.com is the Twitter website. Basically what it does, it teach you the English, and what you have to do, you have to just become the tutor over here, and you have to chat with the clients or the uh, people who come here as a learner. And what you have to do, you just have to chat with them and in the English. And the main thing about this website is you should at least know the English. And if you are watching this video, I know you can understand the English, that is why you are watching. So what you can earn here, you can see here, once you start chatting, you can make at least $0.17 per minute. That is something near to $10.2 per hour. And you will be get paid by PayPal on every Monday. So this is the best part of this website. You will be not having any minimum or the maximum amount to pay out, and you can start your tweeting from anywhere or any time from your mobile. You just have to log in with your mobile phone and just start spending time by chatting the customers or the learners. And once you start chatting with them, you will start counting the money. So you can see here from the starting it is 0.17. And also if you having the ads or some certificates, you can be a permanent tutor on this website and you can start making huge money on this website. So these are two websites I have came across. So I just wanted to you to also be check out these websites and start making $100 per day. So guys, hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and I will keep posting the new and the latest tricks on how to make money online. Thank you very much.